Starting a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your voice sounds impossible, but thousands of creators are already doing it and making serious money. The best part is, you don't need expensive equipment or on-camera confidence to get started. You just need the right strategy to create engaging videos that keep people watching, and YouTube will do the rest. First, you need to pick the right niche. Some of the best faceless YouTube niches include finance tech, motivation documentaries, history, and AI-related content. These niches have high CPM rates, meaning YouTube pays more for every 1,000 views. They also work well with automated content, which makes scaling much easier. Next, let's talk about content creation. The key to success with faceless YouTube is high-quality storytelling and visuals. If you don't want to use your voice, you can generate professional AI voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs or Murph AI. These voices sound realistic and natural, making them a great alternative to recording your own voice. For visuals, you have several options. You can use stock footage from free sites like Pexels and Pixabay. You can also use AI-generated images or animations depending on your niche. If you prefer to create explainer videos, tools like Canva or Doodly can help you make engaging animated content without any technical skills. Now let's talk about video editing. This is where you bring everything together if you're new to editing. CapCut and DaVinci Resolve are great free options. Simply combine your AI voiceover with stock footage, add subtitles if needed, and include background music to make your videos more engaging. The key is to make sure your video flows smoothly and keeps viewers watching until the end, because that's how YouTube promotes your content to more people. For monetization, faceless channels have huge earning potential. Not only can you make money from YouTube ads, but you can also earn through affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and selling digital products. Many faceless creators build multiple channels in different niches, allowing them to scale their earnings much faster than a facecam YouTuber. The final step is consistency. YouTube rewards creators who post regularly. Aim to upload at least 2 to 3 videos per week, especially when starting out. The more content you put out, the better your chances of going viral and gaining subscribers.
Once you start getting traction, you can outsource parts of the process like script writing, editing, or voiceovers to scale even faster. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for everything to be perfect. You don't need the best tools or the most polished videos to start. What matters most is taking action and improving as you go. The sooner you upload your first video, the sooner YouTube's algorithm will start pushing your content to the right audience.